nje balaleli labangakwazi.
Ligama lami nginompumelelo Ngwalagamethe, known as Mbumi la eSiphofaneni. Ngwasendaweni yaKaNkontshwa. I reside to Siphofaneni because of business opportunities.
So like
Ngifunze kaNkontshwa i-primary yami ngenta ngabuya ngafunda eMlaladeni Development. Ngikhulele ekhaya with the extended family. Yes. I'm raised by my grandpa.
like
Yeah.
what makes that and when did it start?
Okay, ngiyakuthanda kakhulu nje kusebenza ngetandla. Then ngicale ngafika ngasebenza kulenye salon khona la eSiphofaneni mangifika. It was 2011, then 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 ngabe seke sengi-owner yami i-business. 2014 I opened my own salon, yes.
So even when I on that side gallery share starting my work.
I wanna be somebody. Bengifuna nje kuba ngilosisi lona abantu labafunda kuye ephindze bakhulume ngaye. Bengifuna ukuthi igama lami lifly high. Abakhona nje ama challenges but ngalokuthi bengifocusile ukuthi mina ngifunani empilweni. Financially uyavuka but lokuwa doesn't mean lahla lithemba yabo. So kanjalo nalokufunda ke ukuthi you have to learn toti uze lama challenges angakukhami. Each and every day kufuna ufunze lokusha.
Like will not say that ever since I started, it can be material things, it can be like things that you made. No one has at least so long can I am proud of myself to see when I look as
Hi Lord, kuningi kakhulu shem lengu-achievile nje mina solo ngicalile kwenta lo msebenzi wami wetandla. Ngakhona kwakha ekhaya, ngakhona abantu abami ngiyakhona kubafundzisa. I afford my life at my age nje sengibe na 2 leti moto leto kude ukuthi ngangedelwa ngisomeone or ngathatha loan. Leti moto bengithenga ngale mali yale salon. Nalokufundzela kushayela nekufunza even nasemlaladeni bengibhadala ngale mali yase salon ngifunza part time. Nalamanye ama courses lengiwendile after le salon kwenta tingalo kufundzela abo fascinator konke nje mina nje ngiphila ngale mali yale salon. Yeah.
what services do you offer like salon?
Senda i-hairdressing, makeup, tingalo, then sesende ama-fascinator, wig, siyawathunga, yabo, yes.
Like like general advice.
Ngihlala ngithi no matter what happen, liphupho lemuntu alifa saphila. As long you still alive, usesenawo emandla ekuthi ungawafeza emaphupho akho. Ngithi sebenza kanzima usengala because in the grave you are going, there is no work, no power, no knowledge. Ekufeni nje siyobe sesithulile sekude lithuba lekuthi ligama lakho lingadvuma or usengenta something usuke so ulele nje. So just do lokhona kwenda usengala as long usaphila phupho lakho ngeke life because wena mnikade weliphupho ukhona. Yes, ngeke ngisho kanjalo.
So when it's all said and done, but must open but because of one.
Ngifisa nje ukuthi impilo yami ingafakaza noma ingafakaza ngaNkulunkulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikoloko lokungangenta noma lokungeke kuphuphe because ibuhle nako konke kuyendlula but impilo lengitayiphila noma lengiyiphilako ngicela ukuthi inkosi engiside ukuthi ibe bufakazi yende ukuthi wonke umuntu abe willing to know Mpumi yabo abe willing kuba njengaMpumi ngasitwa ukuthi ngibe naNkulunkulu ngekhathi kwami. Mpumi's hairdressing salon utholakala kaNkhambule ngenhla kwaseMbiveni kule caravan lemhlophe. Ishothi you can book any service ufuna ukuthi sitokwentela umshado wakho siyeda ufuna kwenta graduation party anything siyeda lapho silethe iservice yethu. Inombolo tethu ke 7879 kuyafana 520 325. uyasithola enkambule complex, uyasiwathaphela ku-79, uyasiwathaphela ku-78. We love you. Sharp.